Dr. Solar. So this is part 4. Let me see if I go back and get you a fair view. So what you're looking at here is a combination of three things actually. They started out with rice husk, then they put topsoil, and now yesterday they mixed in manure. All these things there are going to go out. This is what came with the manure, is horse poop. So as they gathered it, the horse is pooping on grass. As they gathered it, it picked up grass, so they're going to remove this. They did that on this bed. So today you start to see some shaping of this area. More plants will come in. And what I'll do is I'll give you a breakdown of the plants that we've gotten, what they cost if you want to purchase them. And then, so the next part of this would be me showing you what plants we got, what it costs, so you have an idea of what, you will spend when you decide to do the same thing. So I'll be back. We're getting 50 Chinese bamboo, 20 yellow pineapple, 2 queens of the Philippines, 1 red flower tree, 4 peace lilies, Homalomena plant. I have no clue what that is, but you can see it costs quite a bit. 6 oleander, 20 Dieffenbachia, 9 ground cover plants. It doesn't say how many, but it's quite a bit of them. 1 pomegranate. See, that thing is expensive too. Anybody that bothers to come into my place and pluck my pomegranate, I'll break their leg. ZZ plants. ZZ plant. We got it. 2 spider plants and silver pothos. So we're also getting lemongrass and the desert rose. I think desert rose is already here. That's the one I was calling. The desert rose is the one I was calling. So here the railroad the logs or pieces of wood, after they treated them, it still stinks. Oh my god, the smell is strong. And then you see they're moving the plants around. I like these colors. Adding some color. And I want to show you something. This is called pitanga. I planted this how many years ago? So they're going to either pot it. Pitanga, P-I-T-A-N-G-A, pitanga. Sounds like an African warlord, but it's not. And then this is soursop. This is dripping water. This is soursop. And then here is an avocado. We're going to move the avocado. I have multiples of avocados on the property. I know it's not a dead body over there, it's soil. I think this is another soursop. Yep, another soursop. I guess I have too many of them. So that's what the wood is supposed to do, and we're going to do it around. So I think these pieces of wood are over 600 pieces, so there's a lot of work to do with it.